Welcome to the DK2 OPS240 Log Splitting tutorial. In this segment, we'll guide you through the safe and efficient splitting process using your DK2 log splitter. Safety is our top priority when operating the OPS240. When splitting logs, run the engine at full RPM. This machine pushes the ram forward and auto-retracts with a quick cycle time of 1 second. To ensure proper use of the splitter, allow the machine to retract before loading another log. After the engine is at full RPM, pull the safety lever with your left hand. Then, push the splitting lever quickly with your right hand and let go of the lever. Do not hold the splitting lever down. The ram and splitting lever will automatically retract after the machine has split the log. This allows the machine to regain kinetic energy for optimal performance. The DK2 OPS240 Log Splitter isn't just a tool. It's a symbol of our commitment to excellence. With our dedicated customer service team and support technicians, we're here to ensure your satisfaction from purchase to performance. Forge your own path with DK2.